Hey guys, social media marketing for newbies. So today I want to share with you a couple of whys and hows about social media marketing, and this can be applied literally in any business. So this is the things that we are going to be discussing and a few takeaways that you can go and implement inside your business to get it up and running, and you can treat it your Facebook profile as a ATM. And as I've mentioned before, you can literally apply this in any business. So key takeaways for today is your digital footprint, your profile, why it is important, and what settings to have in place. So you want to make it big online, right? Social media, it has taken the world by storm. And if you don't have a business online, then you might have to rethink your strategy in order to build your business. Now, there is a quote that says, "Your smile is your logo, your personality is your business card. So, how you leave others feeling after an experience with you is your trademark." Always remember that. So, there is four things you need to know and you need to do to create a world-class Facebook profile. So did you know you have a digital footprint? Your profile photo, your posts, your connections, your engagement, your interactions, everything on social media leaves a footprint. So unfortunately, we as humans judge people based on what we are presented with. Most people just slap together their Facebook profiles without even thinking of how they will be perceived by other people. So it's quite scary to think you spent zero time considering the profile picture you uploaded, the about section you put together, and the featured images and the cover photo that you choose to share with other people. Now, there is a few things that you need to learn and how to optimize your Facebook profile to give you the best results. And here's a few key things that I want to share with you on how to do just that. So you need to optimize your Facebook profile photo. There are a few attributes your profile photo should convey. You should appear friendly, approachable, likable, influential, competent, and helpful. You don't want a photo of your dog or a photo of your cat or a photo of a beach. You want your pretty face on your profile photo. You want to optimize your Facebook cover photo. So you want to make sure your cover photo is the right dimensions and it fits on a mobile, it fits on a laptop, and you want to use a simple image with a clear focal point. So this can be mine. You can take a look at mine. I help people quit their 9 to 5 jobs and live a laptop lifestyle. You can have a quote, something you believe in or feel strong about on your cover photo. And then you also want to optimize your Facebook About section. You want to make sure your About section is as complete as possible to enable someone to get to know a little bit more about you. And if you are a network marketer or an affiliate marketer, don't include a replicated website link because you literally leaving money on the table when you do that. So you want to optimize featured image as well. So you can select a couple of stories, featured images, which are pinned to your profile below your about section. And you can tell people a story. You can have testimonials there, something about your personal life, because that is also one of the key things about Facebook is being real and raw. That is what people love to see. So if you can share a little bit about your personal life, that's great because people can get to know you. They can get to know the person behind the business, and your profile doesn't look like an advertisement billboard. So why is everything that I've just said important? So you need to brand yourself. And this took me 3 years in my online journey to realize. And this was literally when the magic started to happen, when I branded myself. Because at the end of the day, you become a magnet for high quality types of people who are like-minded, even if you're not on social media. So you start speaking to people who have raised their hands to follow you. You have given them a reason to want to follow you. And you want to treat your Facebook profile like a business card. Now, there's a few key Facebook settings that every marketer should know about. And these settings should be the foundation to set up your Facebook marketing efforts on your social media. And you can literally, this really applies to any social media platforms, because without the correct settings, potential customers would not be able to view, locate, or communicate with you. Your efforts will be in vain. You might end up only marketing to family and friends, and who wants to do that, right? Worst case scenario, you might be the only one viewing your posts, leaving you wondering why you are not getting any results or traction with your social media efforts. And you want to become as visible as possible. Now, a few key settings to remember is your privacy settings and tools on your Facebook profile. So when you go to your settings in your Facebook, you will see there's a privacy settings and tools tab. Now, who do you want to see your future posts? Like, this should be turned to public, as you want the world to see what you are posting, right? Because you want as many eyeballs on your thing, your content as possible. And who can send you friend requests? Everyone should be able to send you a friend request, because you want as many friends on Facebook to make your world go round, right? But you want quality people. And there's a few things to look out for when you add people on Facebook. Who can look you up using your email address? Everyone should be able to find you. Think of it this way: a potential customer suddenly gets the urge to purchase your item, and you are not responding to his email fast enough. So there you might lose out on a sale. So you have to be selective to avoid spam. Then you do not want to lose the customer by giving them the opportunity of making them wait or changing their minds. So who can look you up using the phone number you provided? Everyone. Think of it the same as the email address. Be selective to avoid spam and strangers. You don't want people phoning you 3 a.m. in the morning. And then who can look you up? Sorry, we've already covered that. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Yes, of course. Imagine for a second the answer to your potential customer lies in your delicately crafted post, and your answer shows up on the first page of Google or Bing. Wow, that is amazing free traffic like you won't believe. You want to drive as much free traffic to your social media platforms as you possibly can. Then if you would like to take a screenshot, you're more than welcome to do that. Everything that I've just mentioned is on this page. Then your profile and tagging settings. Who can post on your timeline? Now, this is crucial. Set that to only me, because your timeline is your billboard. You would not want to give a stranger the opportunity to place free ads on your billboard. And the worst yet is you end up with a load of inappropriate material on your wall, which is not very professional looking to your audience. So you don't want anything and everything on your profile on Facebook. Who can see posts that you are tagged in on your timeline? Set that to only me, because you would not like to be tagged in an inappropriate post or political statement you have no interest in. Yep, stay away from politics. Review posts that are tagged in before the post appears on your timeline. Yes, obviously you want to turn that on, because you want to review something that someone has tagged you in before it posts on your profile. Review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Yes, turn it on. Tags might be good, but in the wrong hands, it can be devastating to your image. Here's another screenshot that you're welcome to take. Then your story settings. Allow others to share your public stories to their own story. This is a great way of getting your face out there. Allow if your story is crafted well enough. You wouldn't mind others advertising or networking with others for free. I would highly encourage that. There's a screenshot if you would like to take a screenshot. Then public posts, filters, and tools. Followers see your posts in their news feeds. Friends follow your posts by default, but you can also allow people who are not your friends to follow your public posts. Use this setting to choose who can follow you. Set this to public as you would like the world to see your posts and get inspired by it. Who can comment on your public posts? Obviously the public. You want the public to view your posts. Get notifications from? Also set to public. Engagement on Facebook is key. You would like to view and interact with as many comments as possible because that is what drives the algorithm. And I will give you a bonus tip. Stay away from the like button. Facebook's algorithm the like button doesn't do anything for your engagement or show your posts to any more people. So if you can use reactions rather than the like button, you will be good to go. Here's a screenshot for you. You can take that. Then face recognition settings. I don't even know if you know this, but Facebook recognizes your face on the internet. Okay, so if somebody else decides to post a picture of you, Facebook can recognize your face and actually let you know that this person has just uploaded a photo of yourself. So do you want Facebook to be able to recognize you in photos and videos? I highly recommend you set it to yes. Facebook is filled with other artists that would not for 1 minute think twice about using your picture as their own. So Facebook would recognize you and send you an alert. So you can set that to yes. This is last but not least. Make sure your Facebook profile is set to public so that you can apply all these settings and crush some goals. So I hope you have found some value in today's training and you've learned something new on how to turn your Facebook profile into an ATM machine, literally, and attract the right customers to you. If you have any questions, drop me a comment, share this with a friend who is struggling or who can learn something about the Facebook algorithm, and I'll see you soon.